Bought a carport on Amazon for about 450 bucks. Came in these two big boxes. These boxes are so heavy I can barely pick them up. One of these boxes is the roofing material. The other box is the structural parts. Even came with work gloves. Pretty organized. That's the nuts and bolts. They put plywood in to secure the box. Here's what I'm looking for, the instructions. Good instructions, but a lot of assembly. Here's a picture of all the little pieces and parts. All the parts are lettered. We'll remove the plastic and lay everything out on the ground. Step one is assemble the upright post. This is the part that gets mounted into the ground with concrete. The bolts are in and Q. That would be in and the washers are Q. It comes with tools. So far, pretty straightforward. The supports go inside the pipe. Line up the holes. That's the basic roof truss. Some of the bracing is in the back of the other box. With the trusses assembled, we'll lay everything out. Let a cross member on each end. We'll put the support tube in. Let on the connecting rod. Place it on here. We've got the first 3 connecting rods on. I'll tilt it down so we can put the other one on. We'll put the 3rd rafter on. We'll add on the last truss. Roof trusses are complete. We'll start working on the sides. The sides are ready to go on. Typically the roofing will go on next. I'll put the frame together first, then I'll set the concrete. Once the concrete sets, then I'll pull the top off and then install the roofing. The roof doesn't weigh that much, but when you put it all on together, then it puts some weight on. We'll turn it upside down to put the sides on. There it is with the sides on. That's the basic assembly of this carport.